Hello there, this is Derick again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a new feature that Instagram has brought to us, which will allow you to hide your likes and then view counts on your accounts. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share it to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So this feature is actually going to make you hide view counts and then like counts on your post right here. So you can see I have 4 other right here, but when I turn this on, it's going to hide that and you're not going to see it like this. So you tap on the 3 dots right here and you're going to see hide like counts right here, and then you tap on it and then you scroll down like this and you can see we are not going to see 4 others right here, but we can move on to tap on the pictures right beside the likes right here, and then we are going to see the number of people who have liked this post right here, and that is basically very cool. So when I turn this toggle on, I've turned this toggle on just for this post alone, not for every other post, but you can see right here this other post has the likes and everything turned on like this. So there are instances where you have control on people accounts too, where you're going to hide these views right here. Maybe you don't want to see the view counts and like counts of other people. So what you need to do is you go to your profile right here and then you're going to tap on these lines right here at the top right corner. You tap on these lines and you're going to tap on settings, and then you're going to tap on privacy, and then you go to posts, and then you're going to see this toggle right here. So when you turn this toggle right here, it's going to turn off every view count and likes on any other video or post on your page or your home page or wherever you see them. So when you just tap here, that is where you're going to see the number of views on the post on Instagram. So when you just scroll through, you can tap on this one right here and you're gonna get a number of people who has liked this video or post. So that is how you can control this one too. But in case maybe you wanna just get this done when you're actually posting something on your account, what you need to do is you tap on this plus like this, and when maybe you want to post something on the account and then you tap on next like this, what you need to do for this feature to work for you is you're going to tap on advanced settings right here, and when you tap on advanced settings, you're going to turn this toggle on right here at the right top corner. You turn this on like this, and then basically this is going to hide your view counts and likes on a post you're going to post right away. So leave in the comment section what you think about this post, if this is really helpful or it's not. But to me, I think maybe it's a bit helpful and it's going to help accounts with less audience and all, because some people don't interact in accounts or posts which has less views and then less likes. So if maybe Instagram is allowing us to just hide it right away, when people get to Instagram they don't get to see any view count and then likes right away, I think maybe it's going to make them interact. And in case maybe they tap on this side trying to go into the account to check on this side and see the number of views and all, Instagram might count it as an interaction or engagement, and it's going to help the person who has posted anything on the account get also some kind of impressions and then get views and then followers right there too. So if you have any idea or whatever you also think about this new feature, just leave in the comment section and let us know your mindset about this one too. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post tech videos, both Android and iOS, and then app reviews. So if you want to make a date for my next video, just subscribe to the channel and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.